The lights at home are bright enough, but they always lack a sense of sophistication. Because 80% of people's homes probably have some issues with their spotlights. Spotlight Pitfall Guide. 1. Don't install spotlights too close to the wall. 2. Don't use spotlights as your main light source. 3. Don't force installation in areas with obstructions. 4. Don't force installation in areas with incomplete walls. 5. Don't force lighting on featureless backgrounds. 6. Be cautious when installing spotlights in high-activity areas. Light with character. Ambience in every beam. 1. Don't install spotlights too close to the wall. The distance of the spotlight from the wall should ideally be more than 20 centimeters. Different distances from the wall. The light spots from spotlights are completely distinct. If it's too close to the wall, there will be severe overexposure. Keep a distance of more than 25 centimeters. The light spots of spotlights become gentler. 2. Don't use spotlights as your main light source. I've seen too many people afraid their living rooms aren't bright enough with countless spotlight holes in the ceiling. The result is uneven lighting on the floor. Ugly and dim. 3. Don't force installation in areas with obstructions. TV background walls, air conditioner units, bathroom shower heads. These are common areas where things can go wrong. When the light from the spotlight is partially blocked, it creates a large shadowed area. 4. Don't force installation in areas with incomplete walls. Wall corners, lintels, above doors, and wall sections with steps or decorative moldings. Light spots from spotlights will be cut off at these locations. It's better to leave them blank. Letting the view stay cleaner. 5. Don't force lighting on featureless backgrounds. Many people are brainwashed by home decor influencers on social media who make them believe tiny hills of light from spotlights look amazing. But true luxury is about lighting what needs to be bright and keeping what should be dark, dark. If the wall doesn't have any features, then let it stay blank. This will be more in line with artistic aesthetics. 6. Refrain from placing spotlights in spaces with intensive activity. On sofas, bedside tables, toilets, being directly hit by spotlight. I believe no one would find that comfortable. Strong light not only stings the eyes, but also makes you inexplicably anxious after sitting for a long time. Installing lights isn't about quantity, but about knowing how to balance them. Learn to direct the light purposefully. Authentic refinement unfolds naturally, without trying. King Ornan, your lighting designer.